Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 connection failed easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now check for updates, make sure to install all updates that you can find and then close it. And now click here and go to Control Panel. Now click View Network Status and then access type Internet and connections. It must be Internet or Wi-Fi. Then click on it. Properties, Protocol Internet version 4 and select used following then as server addresses and put those numbers here and then click OK, and after that restart your PC, and after starting your PC your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.